Hello everyone, myself Shubham Sinha. I am in class 11 from Centrepoint School, Katol Road, Nagpur, Maharashtra.
Hello everyone, I am Shan Naqvi, student of Centrepoint School, Katol Road, class 11th, Nagpur, Maharashtra.
We are the participants of AI COVID Warrior Contest in the category with code.
So we have made a game in Scratch to create awareness among the children of age 6 to 11 years about COVID-19 and its precautions in a fun way. So basically the objective of this game is to defeat the virus and get the vaccine as soon as possible. It is a point based game and the player also has 5 lives. Losing all the lives will result in the game getting over and we will have to restart again. Uh, so uh, Basically all the controls are very simple. WASD, which is the basic controls for most of the games for movement, has been used. Space has been used to shoot. We have made a shooter game. You have to shoot the virus with a gun, and you have to aim through WASD or movement keys. And then there are different sprites which will help you throughout the game. Such as there is a sprite of we can say there is sprite of sanitizer, which would help the player to do things in which he could win. That would be explained by Shubham.
Okay, so in this game we have five sprites. First, our main sprite, which will be controlled by a player. Second is the bullet sprite, which will be used by the player to kill the coronavirus. Then third, we have coronavirus sprite, which has two different costumes. One, the main corona sprite will respawn in every 1.2 seconds, and second, our variant of coronavirus will appear after 50 points scored by the player and will respawn in every 2.5 seconds. Now, we also have a third sprite which plays the role of sanitizer. Sanitizer will respawn again after 50 points and will help the player to gain health if he or she has might lost while playing the game. Last but not the least, we also have tried to present the role of vaccine in our sprites. It will appear after once the player has scored 100 points, and once the player collects this particular sprite, he or she will win the game. Now comes what all skills we have learned in this game. I would like to specify that while playing this game, we basically learned the most important thing about designing various sprites according to our needs. Now, I would like to state two uniqueness about our games to be more specific. First, in this game, we have tried to make our main character more realistic as and when seen in different angles, which was also quite difficult for us. And the second thing, in this game, we have presented two coronavirus sprites, or rather, I would say costumes. The first is our main coronavirus, and second is the variant of a coronavirus. Before ending this video, I would request Shan to just play a demonstration of how exactly a game would be.
Yes, sure, Shubham. So to start the game, we have to just press the green flag, and this welcome screen appears. It asks what's your name. I'll just put anything and just press enter. Then the instruction screen appears. This will stay for 15 seconds. It gives all the instructions like the number of lives you will have, the buttons to use to move, to shoot, touching the virus would reduce your life, and how would the sanitizer spawn, like on 50 points the sanitizer will spawn, and then it would begin like this. So it's WASD to move, which is basic to many games, and space to shoot. So you have to move to adjust your aim, as the bullets would always shoot from the gun like thing the player is holding. And this is how it would shoot. This is the weaker variant. It is red colored, and it would die more easily as compared to the variant which comes afterwards. We like to call it Delta variant, as inspired from the real world. And this is this continues until you reaches 50 points, and then the difficulty level increases. I will just demonstrate how touching the virus would decrease your life. It is decreasing when I am even touching it. When I keep touching it, decreases at the rate of 0.1 life per 0.3 seconds. So in uh, one in 1 second, your 3 lives will just go away if you keep touching the virus. See, after 50 seconds, the sanitizer randomly spawns, and it will keep changing its position if you won't take it. and if you take it, then it would disappear instantly and again come after 2-3 milliseconds. So this is the tougher variant. It is hard to kill. Killing it will also give you only 1 point. We have done this to make the game hard, and see, now the lives have turned to -1, and the game is over. So we can always press the flag to restart, and it would bring us back to the welcome screen, and where we could see the instructions again and just keep on going.
Thank you, Shan, for showing the demonstration of the game. With this, we would like to end our video. This is Shubham Sinha and Shan Naqvi signing off. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank
Thank
you.